Bitcoin just hit another all-time high. I mean, seriously, the interest in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency is rising. We're even starting to get media attention.
It's going to be very difficult to fix the deficit with just changes in taxes and spending. But it's probably why Bitcoin is kind of interesting here, because it's potentially a treasury reserve asset. And, if Bitcoin rises in price, it actually helps offset the liabilities, which is the deficit. I think 6 figures is still possible before the end of the year, yeah.
And then more next year and the year after.
Yeah, I think because now, post-halving and now Bitcoin's becoming a lot more relevant, and I think maybe the regulatory overhang is diminishing, that there's a lot of upside from here.
Bitcoin ETF inflows have been going crazy. In fact, you can see here that Bitcoin ETFs have now outperformed gold ETFs. And with the potential reserve currency, strategic reserve currency.
If he asked you to leave, would you go?
No.
Can you follow up on, do you think that legally you're not required to leave?
No.
You're fired. Get out of here.
Jay Powell himself said he will not step down. In my opinion, I believe crypto can only go higher. We're going to have bumps across the road, guys, but this is one step closer to the greatest wealth transfer of all time. And today we're going to be talking about a Solana project that I believe is the #1 derivatives project on Solana. Yes, the beta play for Solana. The Solana ecosystem has been going absolutely parabolic. Radium, Jupiter, and even Solana itself went from $7 to $200. So we're going to be talking about the #1 project, in my opinion, on Solana. So if you like these type of videos, make sure that you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and keep your favorite crypto and door-to-door entrepreneur inside the algorithm. So as far as utility, I believe TARS protocol has the best chance to be the best derivatives play on Solana. Of course, there's a lot of projects that's going to do well on Solana, specifically meme coins, right? But then you got the DEXs. But as far as utility tokens serving a purpose and having an everyday use case, I believe TARS protocol has top 3 potential on Solana. I want to go over a few updates with the project, but first and foremost, let's get into the chart. I like to look at TARS protocol from the 3-day chart because it's a long-term hold, right? This is the #1 AI play on Solana. So when AI comes back, and it's going to come back in full force, right, with the whole connection between Trump and Elon himself embedded within the AI narrative, it's only going to bring a lot more heat and attention to the AI narratives. And we know every time the AI narrative gets attention, whether it's Elon, the robots, the NVIDIA, CPU, GPU, cloud storage, AI tokens absolutely send, right? And in comparison to something like AGI, you can see AGI is sitting here at about a 3.76 FDV, $3.3 billion market cap. Here is the #1 token on Ethereum as far as the AI narrative. And TARS protocol is sitting at roughly a 50x away from artificial super intelligence alliance. So if you're banking on Solana getting close and competing with Ethereum, this, in my opinion, is one of the best plays on Solana, and a lot of people are betting on it, right? In fact, there has been news that there could potentially be a Solana ETF, right? A Solana ETF could bring unprecedented institutional flows. VanEck and 21 Shares have also filed for spot Solana ETFs this year. So a lot of people are looking to get in that whole, their hand in the bucket when it comes to Solana, because everybody uses Solana. When we talk about normies being onboarded into crypto, they use Solana, right? It's easy. The fees are cheap. The speed is fast. It hasn't been as, rough as it was, maybe a year ago, right? Radium works way better. Jupiter works way better. They have the apps on the phone, right? You can use your Phantom app directly on your phone and just swap meme coins, right? It's literally in my opinion, the holy grail layer one for not only retail, but also institutions. So I wouldn't be surprised if Solana gets an ETF. And if Solana does get an ETF, I think it'd be a better performer ETF wise than Ethereum. But we're banking on TAR's doing, and is at least a 25 to 50x, right? Putting us somewhere between that $3 billion and $10 billion market cap. Now, the 3-day looks awesome, right? We got 4 green indicators, right? We got the price action above the VWAP, right? So tells you that the momentum is there. RSI above 50 here, sitting at 59. Stock RSI with R cross, confirmation of momentum above 20 here, and the MACD is bullish. So you got the quadruple play right here when we talk about TNA, technical analysis, and one of the best charts right now on Solana. There's a lot of utility plays on Solana, but this one I think will get the most attention because it's in the AI narrative. So you can see here it's riding the trend line, and also our golden box here, 618 and 786, which is about 11 cent, which was our support like a champ, and has now exploded with the market, and specifically Solana hitting $200. Now, I've seen some of the comments, guys. I've seen some of the comments, and I believe that TAR's protocol has answered some of the comments. So they did a little bit of changes here with their tokenomics, and one of the things I do want to highlight here is because so the thing is, I've seen a lot of new investors. They were asking me like, Millie, you know, I was new investors, and they did me this, they did me that, right? And I did a little, deep diving, and they did put out some important updates to the tokenomics. So TARS has been listening to the community concerns about potential sell pressure from private sale token locks. Every cryptocurrency that has a higher FDV than the market cap goes through vesting schedules, and a lot of people have been voicing their opinion on the vesting schedule. It says, as of now, TAI private sale tokens will be bought back over a 90-day plan ending future unlocks. All acquired tokens will be burned and removed from circulation. A new tokenomics sheet will be published within 30 days to clarify the updated structure. The team sees these steps as a key move towards secure, community-focused future for TARS AI. So if you're new to my channel and you're probably wondering, well, Millie, what is TARS AI? I did a full in-depth video, full review on the utility and use case. I'll be sure to tag that. I don't want to get into making this video too long, but it's a one-stop shop AI hub on Solana. But not only on Solana, right? They now have partnered, here with CoinGecko and Crypto.com. So, for the next 30 days, TARS will have a prime placement on CoinGecko, also Crypto.com, which boasts 500 million monthly impressions, providing unmatched visibility to TARS on a platform known for its precision, right? So it's the most used app on Solana, on the Solana dApp. It's the most used app. People go to this project and utilize it like, you would use it for Chat GPT, right? It pretty much does everything. It has a search engine. They have AI autonomous agents, right, that can help you out with trading. So make sure you go and do the research, right? TARS also has joined the Google Startup Program. The team has been working at Google prepping 4 AI products for launch and a full AI suite. So a lot of this stuff has been launched. So they are executing. So that's what you want to see from a utility project, right? TARS search is officially live on Solana mobile dApp. We talked about this in the last video. So right on the Solana dApp, you can utilize this TARS search. You can ask it anything, not specifically just about crypto. You can literally utilize this search, right? Like any other search engine, and ask it anything, right? Solana's dApp store is dedicated app store for dApps on Solana. So this is everything Solana, but they're starting to branch out, having this project marketed on CoinMarketCap and also CoinGecko, right? So this is, a step in the right direction. They have also joined forces with BitGet Wallet here, right? TARS also partnered with Numbers Protocol, so some pretty good partnerships here. And they also, where was it? Right here. TARS launches ecosystem synergy with IONet. So this cuts the AI model training costs of 30%, 1,000 decentralized GPUs and CPUs. So excuse me, if you're indie, if you're doing indie creation of any type of like AI app, AI platform, everybody knows how expensive training AI models can be, right? Because of GPU storage, CPU storage. So now TARS has partnered here with IONET, helping to cut model training, making it easier for the little guy, right? That's trying to compete with a lot of these centralized entities, right? So this is a Solana project, a AI one-stop shop, right? You can compare it to the Fetch AI, to the Tau AI, right? Making AI and more accessible for retail, but also more decentralized, right? And they got a whole lot more stuff coming, guys. Make sure you go check out the website. I will put the website and everything inside the description, and I'll also put that video, right? So they're burning tokens, taking them out of the ecosystem, making the TARS price a little bit more easier on the eye when we're talking about appreciation, right? So, you know, it only has 895 million total supply. So it's funny, right? Because when we go here to the comparison, right, TARS would have to hit $8.22 to actually get that 49x, right? I think that it's attainable, right? If Solana is really going to be this go-to one-stop shop chain for retail and institutions, and TARS is the AI hub, right? The search engine and everything, it has a use case, it has that volume, it has users, right? This project could really, really appreciate and fast, right? Especially headed into a potential super cycle. So I want you guys to go in the comments, check out this project, right? It's only sitting at a $89 million market cap, and it's a great golden spot when talking about market caps, because honestly, we don't know how high. We don't know how high these market caps may go, right? And if you're a person that really does not have the time to be a DJ, especially with AI plays, meme coins, right? Grab you some good utility plays that you can sleep at night and hold. And when I first started covering this project, it's around a $59-60 million market cap. It's now sitting at around $90 million market cap at the time of this video recording. So, people can call it sponsor content or whatever they want to call it, but you can't deny the numbers, right? This has continued to rise since we originally started covering TARS protocol. And I held TARS protocol before any sponsorship, right? I already knew about it. I seen a couple of my guys talking about it, and I did some research on it. So I already knew about the project, so it made sense to strike a partnership with these guys. So I'm excited to see where TARS protocol goes, guys. Again, Q4 seems to be bullish. We got a strategic reserve on the way, potentially, as we get closer to Donald Trump's inauguration. We got Fed cuts, the global liquidity, US cut rates, ECB cut rates, Japan cut rates, China cut rates, and global liquidity is rising, right? And all these rate cuts are going to be easier on retail's pockets. So you can expect a lot of these altcoins to go ballistic, and especially if Solana gets an ETF, as we get more lenient regulation to utility products inside crypto, right? We'll start to move from speculation and start to move more into the depend narrative, right? Having a everyday use case, having a everyday product, and what better than a search engine, because everybody uses AI anyway. You use AI today and you don't even know you use AI. So I'm banking on AI being one of the top narratives in the space. And when comparing the top AI project on ETH with all that liquidity, as Solana continues to grow here in TVL, I expect utility plays also to grow. And I believe that TARS protocol is the #1 AI play on Solana. Let me know what you think inside the comments, guys. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.